So I'm going to make a series on timber falling. I see a lot of guys falling trees, but nobody's saying how, you know. So it'll be kind of patched together, just kind of when I get stuff in front of me. But start off with the equipment. So you're gonna need a saw, a big saw that's big enough to do what you need it to do. And in my case, it's a 461. It's a 76 cc or something. 78. I don't remember. Anyways, and make sure it's in good condition, good running condition, full of fuel, full of oil. The oil one's always harder. I don't know why. Got a sharp chain on it, you know. Clean air filter. All the goodies. Yeah, make sure it runs good. It has to run good. This is kind of what you rely on. This stuff is not safe. Okay, this is, like I said, this is a how-to, not necessarily a why. A lot of guys die doing this stuff. So take that with a grain of salt. These guys, these homeschool heroes that, you know, they, oh, I fell a tree, I'm so cool. But in reality, about a guy a week dies doing this. So this isn't necessarily a be-all, end-all way of doing things, but it's how I do things and how I stay safe. So, good saw. I always have a backup and my little saw. So, as far as saws are concerned, the bigger the better, really. You know, this little guy is the 260. It's 50 cc's or something, which is what most people own. And frankly, it's not enough. Go bigger. You can fall one tree here and there, it'll do you, but it's not gonna be safe. You know, power is king. Make sure it's well maintained. Make sure it runs. Make sure it's a saw you can trust. It's gonna run all day, every day. You know, you have to start it 3 times in the middle of the back cut. So, a sharp chain, the right tension. Read the owner's manual. It's right. You know, yeah, the gear you're gonna need a hard hat. You know, it's mine. An aluminum thing. I don't think I pounded too many dents out of that one. It's a pretty good hat. Got a couple of dents, but yeah, I'm pretty lucky with this one. My other old hat got smashed a couple times. You know, axe, Indian axe, hammer, something. I prefer an axe. Nice flat square pole on it. Wedges, little plastic wedges. Brand doesn't matter as long as they don't break when you smack them. You know, you don't need the big harness and everything to hang on to them. You just, you know, as long as you have them, it helps what I do. But you know, I'm not your average firewood guy. You know what I mean? So boots, good solid boots. These are corks, but traction is king. You know, part of timber falling is being able to run away. You know, it's not a manly thing. It's, you know, you got to run away. Keep a saw wrench with you. You know, goes in my little pouchy thing there. Hangs out. I don't use it often, but it's nice when I need to. You know, keep an extra chain. You know, I got a whole freaking box full of extra chains here. You know, that's just half of them probably. You know, I got 4 or 5 different size saws and 4 or 5 different size bars. So that thing's got one of everything in it. You know, extra fuel, extra bar oil. You know, it's important. This stuff is new. I don't know. I like the old Durex condom brand, but it's expensive. They're not carrying it no more. You know. You need a couple wedges. Don't just get one wedge and call it good. You're gonna need a couple, 3 at least. You know, I drag around 5. that's just the gear, you know. There's a lot more to it than just having a big saw and, you know, a hard hat and, you know. Yeah, falling timber is fun. It's cool. You know, dangerous. Yeah, it's really fucking dangerous. So, think about that when you go out there and you start cutting timber. Anyhow, that's the end of this part. I'm gonna get my boots on and go kill some trees.